Roku not connecting to Wi-Fi can cause errors, disconnects, or no internet messages. In this video, I will show you step-by-step fixes that are safe, easy, and can be done at home using just your Roku settings and router. First, let's start by restarting both your Roku and your router. Turn off your Roku TV or Roku device and unplug it from the power. Then, unplug your router or modem from power as well. Wait for 1 to 3 minutes before plugging the router back in. Let the router fully start up and connect to the internet. After that, plug your Roku back in and turn it on. This simple restart often fixes many temporary connection issues. Next, check that your Wi-Fi password is entered correctly on your Roku. Go to Settings, then Network, and choose Setup Connection followed by Wireless. Select your Wi-Fi network again and carefully re-enter the password. Make sure you type it exactly, with the correct capitalization and no extra spaces, because even a small mistake can prevent the Roku from connecting. After that, you should check your Roku's signal strength. Go to Settings, then Network, and select About. Look at the signal quality. If it says poor or fair, that may be why your Roku is having trouble. In that case, try moving the Roku closer to your router and remove any obstacles like thick walls or metal objects that could block the Wi-Fi signal. If the issue continues, reset the network settings on your Roku. Go to Settings, then System, and then Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset and confirm the reset. Your Roku will restart, and you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi after it turns back on. Sometimes the Wi-Fi band can make a difference. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, try connecting your Roku to the 2.4 GHz band instead of 5 GHz. Even if the 5 GHz network shows a strong signal, it can fail to connect or disconnect often, so switching bands may solve the problem. Another step is to disable network pings using a secret menu on your Roku. On your remote, press the Home button 5 times, then press Fast Forward, Play/Pause, Rewind, Play/Pause, and Fast Forward again. The secret menu will open. Go to the System Operations menu, then Network menu, and select Disable Network Pings. Press Home to exit and then restart your Roku. This can help with frequent disconnects. Next, check the time and bandwidth settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select Time. Make sure the correct time zone is selected, and if it is set to automatic, try setting it manually. Then go to Settings, Network, and select Bandwidth Saver. If it is turned on, turn it off, as it can sometimes cause connection issues. If your Roku still won't connect, try testing it with a mobile hotspot from your phone. Connect your Roku to the hotspot. If it connects successfully, that means the problem is likely with your home router. If it still doesn't connect, the issue may be with your Roku software or hardware. You can also check your router settings to help fix the connection. Restart the router again if needed. Make sure any MAC filtering or VPNs are disabled on your router. If possible, change the Wi-Fi channel or give your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks separate names, so your Roku clearly connects to the correct one. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, you can do a factory reset on your Roku. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and choose Factory Reset. Keep in mind, this will delete all your apps and settings, so you will need to set up your Roku again from scratch. That's it for this video on how to fix your Roku when it's not connecting to Wi-Fi. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your Roku back online and streaming smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Did one of these steps work for you? Or do you still have connection issues? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.